Now, judgment in the discharge application brought by accused number 4, Mthokoziseni Maphisa, in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is expected to be delivered today. He wants charges against him dropped. Now, Chriselda Lewis has been watching this case for us for years now. And for the furthest, latest developments, let's cross to Chriselda now. Chriselda, good morning. And for so many years now, we've watched these developments slow as they have unfolded. But of course, now at a point where we hear of a discharge application by one of the accused. Just talk to us about that, please.
Well, Sakina, we had expected that at least some of the accused would bring this discharge application after the state had closed its case. You'd recall that Mthokoziseni Maphisa is the only accused in this matter to have brought this 174 application in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act, basically wanting the charges against him to be dropped. His lawyer had argued that, there's no evidence to suggest that his client had been at the scene or was even involved in the killing of soccer star Senzo Meyiwa. And also, the lawyer representing Maphisa, who is the advocate Zithulele Nxumalo, basically arguing, that the state's star witness, who was Constable Sizwe Zungu, saying that, his testimony cannot be relied on because it was riddled with contradictions and that there'd been no witnesses that had basically corroborated, the evidence that Constable Zungu had brought before this court. Advocate Nxumalo also saying that, while we've heard previously the lead investigator, Brigadier Bongani Keninda, indicating that Kelly Khumalo had been the mastermind in this matter, she'd been the trigger point as he had described, also saying that, there's no evidence to indicate that any monies had been paid to Maphisa to be involved in any of this. So the state, of course, opposing this application, the state basically saying that, there is a case for Maphisa to answer and that he should continue to face trial in this particular matter. What the state basically heavily relied on was the confessions, two confessions that were made by accused, that's Bongani Ntanzi, in which Bongani Ntanzi basically outlined the alleged involvement of all of these accused in what happened on the day that Senzo Meyiwa was killed. And, given the fact that Maphisa also indicating that, Zungu's evidence should not be relied on, the state also says that, that should not be the case. It should be relied on because Zungu gives a detailed account of what happened, who left the hostel when they came back, an alleged exchange of some firearms as well that took place inside the hostel. So we're yet to hear now at 10 o'clock this morning what the outcome of that application will be.
Well, thank you so much, Chriselda Lewis, and of course stay tuned to SABC News for that particular outcome.